Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Lucidchart for beginners. So let's get started. Getting started with Lucidchart is very simple and beginner friendly. Now, once you visit the official website, I want you to click the sign up option for a free account. If you do that, you would be forwarded to a new page wherein you might want to check the pricing plans. You can get started with a free account to test waters if this is going to be the diagram tool for you. The individual comes at $9, the team is $10, the enterprise is something that you need to contact the sales department. The bundle and save gives you free. Again, for Lucidchart and Lucid Spark, the individual bundle is 13.50, team bundle is 15, but you get all these perks and benefits. If you click the Start Free option, you would be forwarded to a new page wherein you can use your emails like Google, Microsoft, Slack, or you can use your full name, work email, and password. And once you've followed the instructions, you should be able to receive a welcome email from Lucidchart. Okay? And all you have to do is click the Get Started button and you would be forwarded to the main dashboard or the homepage. Alright? Now, we need to understand the workspace here in Lucidchart. There are a couple of options in the left side panel of your dashboard wherein the home button gives you something you can do. You have the agile processes, brainstorming systems, planning and research. These are going to be the templates that you can use. You can start with a diagram or start with a whiteboard depending on your goals and target while using this platform. For example, we're going to start with a whiteboard. If we do that, we will be forwarded to this section. Takes a little while, but it's creating something like a whiteboard for Lucid Spark, but we're not going to do that. Instead, we're going to edit that in the Lucidchart. It's another platform for Lucidchart, right? So here, you would notice you have the option to rename the file and then understand the workspace. Now, when you open this document, it's an empty canvas, right? You can leverage the toolbar, which is in the left side panel of your dashboard. All right. The toolbar gives you an option for the tools for drawing shapes right here. You can drag and drop any kind of shapes here. You also have an option for the connect containers, and the themes. All right. You can have all these for you. The canvas is the main area, like this one right here, where you can create your diagram. The canvas can also be changed to a different color. For example, if you go for the background color, you can choose from any of your favorite colors here to make your canvas a bit interactive and kind of like interactive and interesting. All right, for example, this, or maybe like a green for now. And then the menu bar on the top corner is the options for saving, exporting, which gives you this platform. For example, if you click that, you would be forwarded to the exporting page. You have the option to export it as a PDF, PNG with a transparent background, JPEG, SVG, and SVG with transparent background. You have the option to custom crop the content, include page fill, and accessible PDF. And after that, all you have to do is click on download, save it to your computer or to your local machine. Right? Now, adding shapes to the canvas is very easy. You can use any from here: containers, shapes, arrows, even text. If you click on the more shapes, you have all these options for you. All right? Not only that, you can also add a specific image. Right here, go to the add image, GIF, or OneDrive. If you do that, you would have an option to add a specific image here. And then you can also add a GIF if you want. And then here you can put in data. So you can put data links here, like sales performance, maybe cloud backup, but you would be forwarded to a new page. We're going to skip that for now. Here on the top corner, you have the option to collaborate and share. If you click the share button on the upper right corner to invite others to edit and share, to edit only, or to comment only or view only. All right. All you have to do is add their email address here or create a shareable link wherein you can attach it in an email, maybe send them via message in social media channels like Snapchat, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and a lot more. All right. You can also manage the collaborators here. Click on done. On the upper right corner still, you have the option to present. If you click this button right here, the presentation builder. All you have to do is click a new slide, add a new slide again, use this. And if you click the present slides, you can collaborate without leaving in the Teams interface. You have the option to show it as a presentation here in Lucidchart. For example, this is particularly helpful if you are working with an organization, a team, or multiple freelancers, or showing this to a client for a proposal or a contract discussion. You can do that here in Lucidchart very easily. Not only that, while presenting for a client, you also have the option to record a video. You can create and share videos right here using Site or Loom. All you have to do is connect these third-party providers who will record and store your videos. Now, on the file section here, if you are working for a website, you might want to click the embed button. You can choose from any of the following sizes: medium, large and small, or custom size. So you can embed your document continuously in your intranet or web page. All you have to do is click this, click on done, and embed it to your website or Shopify or any platform that you wanted. Now, you can also have an option to publish, making it a full document URL, full document PDF, a single page PDF, or area selection image. If you do, it would generate a page right here, custom size and whatnot. All right, so that's it. Another option is, for example, you are happy with the diagram that you have created from scratch. You might want to click this option that says convert to template. All right, you can choose from any of the following. Maybe I'm gonna save it as a template for brainstorming and ideation, and all I have to do is put a description. This allows template users from unlocking objects. Click on save, and now this file diagram that we have created has been successfully created as a template, wherein we can use it for recurring templates that we could use. All right. The idea is that Lucidchart is designed for beginner-friendly diagram ideas, wherein you can visualize processes, brainstorm ideas for database beginners. All right, it's a very easy thing to do. And after doing all of this, you make sure you are familiar with all the dashboards, and then in no time you'll master all of the platform without any help from your team or your client. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.